Before threading, please lift the presser foot first. Put the thread on the thread rack. Insert the pin cap. Pass through the hook. Wrap half a turn clockwise around the hook. Pass through the clip. Lower the presser foot. Pull the thread upwards past the elastic hook and pull it down. Bypass the upper hook. Bypass the lower hook. Keep the line in the back under the little hooks. Pull the thread tight and snap it into the gap. Place the needle threader at its lowest position. Release the needle threader. Pull the loop of thread. Pass the thread through the presser foot. Pass the thread through the needle hole from front to back. Pass the thread through the presser foot.